am a nurse. I am a doctor. I am a lawyer.
This boy might be Lambda function, which is in Python. It is also anonymous. It has no identity. So this is the syntax of Lambda function. First, we need to initialize it with the help of this particular keyword Lambda. Then we need to pass the list of arguments to that particular Lambda function. Then we have to write colon, and after that we need to write the expression through which we need to evaluate the results. For example, here I am defining one lambda function to multiply two numbers. So I'll write lambda space and then I'll pass in the list of arguments. So for multiplying two numbers, I'll be requiring two arguments. So let's say A and B are the two arguments. And then with colon separation, we are going to define the expression. So here for multiplication, we need to use this particular operator and we need to write this expression. So basically whatever values of arguments will be passed in place of this variable, that will be evaluated with this particular expression. They both will be multiplied and the result will be returned. So we can store this particular lambda function in a variable, say x. Now we can call this particular lambda function with this name of this particular variable x. So let's say if I print this x function, so basically now this x variable can take arguments the same way as how the function takes. Now inside this I can pass two arguments, let's say 10 and 20, and this will give me the answer as 200, which is the multiplication of these two numbers. So I hope it is clear how we can use this lambda function.